Hello. I am Karen, Solutions Manager from Blue Ocean Data Solutions. Today I would like to share with you the benefits of Smart PLM system implementation for your organizations.
Companies dealing with product design and manufacturing facing more challenges due to complex processes, workflow, product data management, and large team working across different countries or companies. Alignment and sharing information across different teams could be a big challenge to most of the organizations. At the most fundamental level, product lifecycle management is the strategic process of managing the complete journey of a product from initial concept and design, development, manufacturing, service and disposal. In short, PLM means managing everything involved with a product from birth to grave. The major drawback of the traditional product lifecycle management involves tedious handling of various documents and data. This process may involve manual work, hard copy document, soft copy spreadsheet, etc. Document and data traceability and retrieval could be a big challenge to most of the organizations. Furthermore, this could lead to violation of regulation and against international standard.
How can I streamline the entire product lifecycle management process and make it more productive?
Smart PLM is a solution that manages all of the information and processes at every step of a product or service lifecycle across globalized supply chains. This includes the data from items, parts, products, documents, specification, engineering change orders, quality inspection data, testing data and quality workflows. Smart PLM enable effective management of information throughout the entire product lifecycle management. Smart PLM establish a cohesive digital platform to optimize relationships along the product lifecycle and across organizations. Set up a single system of record to support diverse data needs, so that the right people see the right information at the right time and in the right content. Smart PLM key modules consist of contract review, CAD drawing control, engineering change notice, document management, ATC APA, audit management, APQP and PPAP and PI, continuous improvement, calibration, key performance indicator, non-conformance report and employee competency. Customer is able to choose the module which are relevant to their business. Smart PLM has real-time interactive dashboard which provide management instant information on entire product lifecycle operation. This enable management to take quick action if abnormality is detected. Smart PLM involves cloud computing technology, web technology, real-time alert, big data analytics and mobile technology. Benefits of Smart PLM implementation consist of improved engineering efficiency and effectiveness, elimination of errors during the engineering release process, reduced time to market, improved product quality, on-time delivery and customer satisfaction.
After implementing Smart PLM, our productivity has increased significantly, lower operation cost and better customer satisfaction. Allow management to make instant decision and trigger corrective or preventive action.
If you have any inquiries or question, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.